So this is exactly what we shouldn't be doing, creating a design that says EAWCM Punk or any trademark design, because it's definitely gonna lead to a page like this which will say sorry, we couldn't find that page. This is exactly what happened to this design, and if you have many rejections, your account will definitely be closed down. So when I click open in Amazon, it showed me that the page is empty. So definitely the design has been taken down and it's exactly what you should have been doing. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the 34th episode of Top 5 Paranormal Niche Research of the Week. And before we get into the niches, I just want to make some quick announcements. The first one is Merch Informer. I'm going to announce a giveaway at the end of the video because they're releasing a new feature which is called it's like deleted designs and some other features I want to talk more about at the end of the video. And also we're going to be releasing the name of the person who won our last week's giveaway, so if you'd like to know who won, stick around to the end. So our first niche for today is this Poke Life Outer Banks shirt. It has over 167 sales, price $13.75, no review yet. And you guys know that whenever a shirt is trending like this, it hasn't had the time to people haven't had the time to leave reviews and it only have sales. So this is an indication that the shirt is trending. Whenever you see that it doesn't have reviews yet and you see that the number of sales are many. So why is this shirt trending? So I did some research. I didn't know what Outer Banks of Poke Life meant, and I did some research and I fell on this page, and apparently that shirt is trending because of a Netflix series. It's called Outer Banks, as you can see right here, and I was like curious, what does this show talk about? So in short, if you're a poke, you live in the south side of the island, also known as the Cut. The pokes are working class people with drink, cleaning boats, running charters for the rich. Essentially, they are the slums of the island. Some inherently look upon its residents based on their living there. So though it's a bit more complicated than that, you don't have to be low class to be a poke. So being a poke is not about being lower class. I'm sure Outer Banks means or the cooks. Oh yeah, the cooks are the rich and the pokes are the poor. That is the clear definition of why this shirt is trending. So it's definitely coming from a Netflix show, and I'll be careful with that. If you want to get on a niche like this, definitely do your research, check your trademarks. Be sure that these words are not trademarked, so your account will not be in jeopardy and your design will not be taken down like this. So that was niche number one. Niche number two is this shirt. It says just a girl who loves anime and sketching. So why I chose this shirt is because there are many anime fans here, and people love anime and sketching. Some love anime and running. So that is why I chose this shirt, so we can switch this sketching maybe to running, switch the sketching to maybe cooking, switch sketching to playing. So literally all hobbies you can switch it here. Some people will love animes and love a particular type of hobby, maybe gaming, anime and gaming. So that's how you can sub niche, use this template and change these words to different type of hobbies, and you have new designs that you can upload to measurements. And so this shirt already has 142 plus sales, over 1000 plus reviews, price at $16.95. And taking a look at other designs, just what I was trying to tell you before. It says anime and parkour. I don't even know what parkour means. And this one, I mean, I'm sketching the one we just saw, anime and 80s. So I didn't even think about this 80s. I had no idea that someone I didn't even think about it, but apparently you can use the 80s too. So just keep on switching anime and something and you'll be getting new results. There you go, anime and art, anime and K-pop, K-pop again, anime and ramen, ramen noodles, campaign. Yeah, just what I was trying to say before. Baking. Yeah, right here. I talked about cooking in before, but you can also use baking. Just and you see this is already sold priced at 17.95, and you already have a review. So this is how you can create several designs with little stress, little time spent, and you have hundreds of designs that you can upload to Mesh from Amazon. So that was niche number 2. Niche number 3 is this politics is always trending, guys. If someone does something that the other party doesn't think is good, shirts are gonna be trending. So this is an example of this. The shirt says Joe Biden, very bad, will not recommend. Just as in the past, we were seeing Trump's own version, like Trump, very bad, will not recommend. Or 2021, there was also a 2021 version. Was it 2020? I think it was 2020. There was a 2020 version that was saying that very bad, will not recommend. That was when the C19 was like at its peak. Yeah, several t-shirts came out like that and they were trending. So this Joe Biden's own version, and we all know why they are saying that Joe Biden very bad will not recommend. I don't want to go into politics on this channel because the last time I did, some people didn't like it, but it's my opinion. I'm still gonna talk about it anyway. If you don't want to listen, that's fine. You can maybe switch to another video or something. But obviously, Trump fans will definitely not recommend Joe Biden, so that's one reason why this shirt is trending. So this shirt is priced 19.99, over 72 plus sales and 2 reviews, and the bullet point says, "We are the people, don't want Joe Biden to take over. His bad news for America," or whatever this means. I'm not gonna read that. I'm just gonna go and analyze the trend. Obviously, trend is up. Look at the BSR right there. Let's take a look at other keywords I can use. Of course, Trump, Republicans, America, people, Biden, and the rest. Long tail keywords. Okay, I think this is new. This is new, guys. So if you're interested in checking offline research, you can use the code MONEYONLINE20 for a 20% discount. I also use the link in the description below to get your discount. So this is definitely new long tail keywords. It wasn't there before. I just noticed it right here, and this is awesome. I like that you can get the long tail keywords as opposed to only the short tail keywords. And what is good about it is that you can just click here and copy all the keywords, as well as this one too, the short tail keywords, and you have all the keywords that you can use for this design. So that's one of the reasons that I like flying research. There's several tools that you can use, and all of them are right here in the left hand side. I've done videos about reviewing flying research, but I'm not going to do that in this video. This video is all about the niches, and I'm going to continue with that. So we're going to move over to niche number 4. Yeah, so obviously if the Biden's own t-shirt, negative star t-shirt is trending, obviously Trump's own hyping of him, Trump's own hyping t-shirts will also trend. So this is an example of it. It says Mean Tweets 2024, and these are for people who are campaigning for Trump's return in 2024, and the shirt says Mean Tweets 2024, and shirt is priced 17.99, over 79 sales, 10 reviews, and the overall trend is up. See, guys, let me just make something clear right now. Politics will always be trending, but you have to be careful with the keywords though. And this is an example of a shirt that will always be trending till 2024, as we can see, and it's probably going to blow in the year 2024. So overall trend is up. Look at that BSL, it's been going up and down. Keywords you can use, same as the one you did for Biden, Trump, Republicans, political, and liberals, and all the like. So don't take keywords as well. And the 5th niche, or I'm not going to call this a 5th niche, I'm just going to join it with this niche right here, Trump's niche. I'm going to just group Trump's niche into one. Instead of doing 2 separate niches, I'm going to group this into one. So this is another shirt that is trending. It's also 2024 shirt for Trump. It says "I'll be back," and it has the grunge American flag behind with Trump's picture at the front, and It has over 154 sales, price of $15.99, 32 reviews, and overall trend is up, current trend is up. It's really been selling, going up and down, up and down. The BSR, and it's approaching 1, as you can see. Look at that. It's projected to approach 1. So for the keywords, of course, as you can see, the keywords, you could just copy it if you want, but you can use funny, America, Trump, Republican, those keywords, yeah. And here, other designs. This one has been sold 2024, Take America Back. I'm sure that's the theme of 2024 because I've been seeing this in several places, Take America Back. Yeah, guys. So I'm sure if you want to make a design, take that into consideration. So that was it for niche number 4. Niche number 5 is this kids T-Rex, T-Rex, if you get it. It's supposed to be T-Rex, but it is T-Rex. So it's obviously for a birthday party for a 3-year-old kid. It could also be for a 3-year anniversary. So it could be for anything, guys. Anything that has to do with 3 years. It says awesome since 2018, T-Rex. So this is priced at $15.97, over 155 sales and 166 reviews. So overall trend is up, current trend is up. And keywords, of course, Rex, dinosaur, dinosaurs, birthdays, and things like that. And here are similar designs for the birthdays, and this one also says T-Rex and T-Rex. So it's all about T-Rex for the 3-year-old or 3-year-old anniversary. So that was it for niche number 5. And a bonus niche, guys. This, the best comes the last, if I can say that. This niche is very, very important for Americans. The 20th anniversary of 9/11, and look at that, guys. This is just amazing. This is already at 1 or something, and that's how it's gonna keep skyrocketing till we reach 9/11. So 20 years anniversary. That is not a small joke, guys. 20 years, wow! Since 2001. That is some long years. So it's to remember the fallen patriots whose lives were lost on that day. And this is a really nice design of the American flag with I think this is New York City, I'm not sure. And it says 20th anniversary, 9/11, never forget. So those keywords are very, very important, guys. Those keywords that I talked about, 20th anniversary, as you can see here on the title. And look at the BSR. I already spoke about that. It already has 101 sales, price at $19.95. Wow, that's like $5+ royalties right there. And the BSR, our trend is up, current trend is up. How will you not be trending, guys? So this is very, very important. It's like the first niche that you should upload to right now. And the keywords, of course, anniversary, 20th, remembering, September 11, things like that. And the long tail keywords too. So I'm going to move to the second part of this video, which is talking about Merch Informer and the giveaway that I'm going to do. So what is this giveaway all about? This giveaway is revealing the new features that Merch Informer has released. First of all, I'm going to talk about the marketplaces. They have released new marketplaces: Spain marketplace, French marketplace, and Italian marketplace. Before, it was just these 3, the US, UK, and the German marketplace that were available, but now they've added these 3 marketplaces. And the second thing we're going to be talking about is the deleted design. So that's something that I'm going to be including in these videos, is deleted design section of segments. And how are we going to find this? We're going to leave this at top 100. We can do this maybe in the US marketplace to see what designs were deleted, and we're going to be doing for shirts. And what we're going to do is just go to, instead of clicking live products, we're searching for not so much. Not so much means the shirts that have been deleted designs. That is what we're going to do. So once we say not so much, we're going to click search, and then it's going to load. So these designs are the ones that have been deleted. As you can see, it says removed. That line says removes. So I usually come here if there's a new niche that is trending that I just got to know about, I will usually come here and search if I see the t-shirt. If the t-shirt has been removed, definitely it's a niche to avoid. Like this Patria Vida, yeah, is definitely not a good niche to upload to. And the Valley Sons, obviously this is just infringing on the Suns, Phoenix Suns, Italia, the same thing. They're all infringements. So I encourage that you guys come here and take a look at the designs that have been deleted so you don't fall prey to your account being suspended. So with that being said, the giveaway is gonna take back. Oh guys, look at this. Poke Live Outer Bank. So guys, ooh, I spoke about this trending. Was it this one right here? Yes guys, so this design is still up. Maybe the shirt is up because they're the licensed producers of the show. Maybe this is their shirt, and I'll definitely not advise you to get into this niche because as you can see right here, it says Poke Live Outer Banks, and wow, 17 ratings, and it had been pulled guys. Look at the BSR, look at this. So guys, that niche will have to definitely scratch it out. It's not a good niche to get into. And talking about the giveaway, we're gonna give the giveaway to one person. So the giveaway is gonna take place in the comment section below. One person is going to receive 1 free month to Merch Informer to use these tools. And how are we going to do this? Actually, you can leave any comments. As usual, I'm going to use the comment section picker, right? YouTube picker, YouTube comment picker, to pick one lucky person that is going to win 1 free month to Merch Informer. And so you can leave any comments guys. It can be something related to the video, something not related to the video, it can be a question, anything, just leave a comment. But if it also has to first of all subscribe, then hit the like button, then leave a comment in the comment section below. So with that being said, I'm going to move over to the second part or the third part of this video which is talking about the person who won a last week's giveaway. You know, as usual, I'm going to come to the last video that I made and I'm going to get the URL of the video, come right here and paste it and click get YouTube comments. Then I'm gonna click start and we're gonna look at the lucky winner who is gonna win Adil Elbar. Congratulations to you for winning our last week's giveaway. So he said for winning this week's giveaway guys. So he said, thank you, your video really helped me to find a niche on Amazon. So thank you for leaving a comment and thank you for being our winner. We are gonna get on a one-on-one call. You can ask any question that you want, and that is it guys. We're just gonna you're just gonna come to my channel and go to my page and go to the about page, and you see my email address and you can grab it, shoot me an email, and I'm gonna schedule a one-on-one call, 30 minutes one-on-one call with you. And I guess that is it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, there's a channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.